In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive not opening or working on your laptop or Windows computer. If you're finding that your Google Drive isn't functioning properly, don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step to get it back on track. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to open your usual web browser and navigate to Google Drive's homepage. Simply type Google Drive into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the link that takes you to the Google Drive sign-in page. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and do so with your usual credentials. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you're ready for the next step. This is crucial as we're heading into some settings adjustments to troubleshoot the issue. Now look at the top left corner of your browser's URL bar. You're looking for a small slider icon, often depicted as 3 vertical dots or lines. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you want to select the Settings option. It might sound a bit generic, but this menu offers various personalized configurations which can directly impact how smoothly Google Drive operates on your device. Once you're in the settings, the next thing to do is clear some of your data. Often, accumulated cache or corrupted files can cause applications like Google Drive to act up. This is a simple and effective way to resolve minor glitches. Look for an option labeled Delete Data, or anything similar that suggests clearing cached files. Depending on your browser, the wording and location can vary slightly, but the goal here is to start fresh by removing any potentially problematic files. Confirm that you want to clear the data. Don't worry, this won't delete your actual files in Google Drive, just the local cache stored on your computer. After you've performed this step, it's a good idea to restart your browser, close it completely, and then reopen it. This ensures that all changes are properly implemented. Finally, go back to Google Drive's homepage once more. By now, any issues you are having should be resolved, and your Google Drive should open without a hitch. Most users find that clearing cache and data resolves synchronization and loading problems in no time. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helped you in fixing Google Drive on your laptop or Windows device. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting advice. If the issue persists, consider checking your internet connectivity or contacting Google support. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.